Yeah guys, I did a little bit of cleanup today with this really amazing, small, very lightweight 18 volts leaf blower compatible with Milwaukee batteries. So we get everything except from the battery. So you can see how lightweight this thing is. It's amazing how powerful this is. By the way, I got this for free from the seller, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so when I saw it, I saw the really small size and I was a little bit skeptical about the power. So I just added one of my existing 18 volts Milwaukee batteries. You can see how easy this is. And so I just took it and it's very, very simple to use. I mean, we have just one level here. It's a switch, 0 or on. Very easy to use. So I'll do that quickly here. Yeah, really amazing. The power, didn't expect that, but I guess it's probably due to the high quality full copper motor. So it's not a brushless motor, but definitely much better than all these aluminum motors, which we usually find in entry level blowers. Definitely huge plus. And also on the other side, we have this axial fan design, which basically just takes the air and blows it straight through the blower, which is much better regarding throughput compared to the centrifugal design, which can add more pressure, but definitely lack in airflow. So the axial design is absolutely perfect for a leaf blower for maximum outputs. So we have a really impressive 130 miles per hour wind speed and a whopping 450 cubic feet of air which we can blow out here. I mean, of course, it's not a full replacement for a gas blower or so, but for the size, it's absolutely amazing. And it came with just 3 parts to assemble in just 30 seconds. We have the tip here, we have the middle part, and we have the core part. Of course, the battery, again, you have to bring on your own. Other than that, it's fully assembled in 30 seconds, ready to go. And not only the weight is great, it's also nicely balanced. Maybe hold it better, like from here you can see with the battery here, it's absolutely perfect balanced here, right in the center of the handle. So you can use it even for longer time without getting tired. And what I also like is how quiet this is. With some of the leaf blowers in the past, I had to use earplugs. Definitely was not needed for me with this one. Weight without the battery is really only 3 pounds. It's absolutely amazing how they have been able to build that with everything except the battery with only 3 pounds. That helps definitely a lot. If you have to use a leaf blower for longer time, and I've already been using it to clean up our new outside area, also another area more in the back with more leaves. It has been working absolutely awesome. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. The price is also right. I would say definitely not expensive. So could be also a great thing as a second or third leaf blower, maybe a backup one if you have already some Milwaukee standard 18 volts batteries. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this leaf blower, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.